here is my Canva account. This is a paid account, just so you know, but the free account you can do a lot with. So I'm going to make a t-shirt for my eBay store, my Poshmark store, to wear during live shows or just to wear around. I'm just going to make one just to see if I even like it. So, Canva. I do have the paid account, but for the free account, they do have lots of options. So, excuse me. What you can do is go to t-shirt right here, or you can type in t-shirt right here, I believe, or where the creative design is, you can type it in here. But they just have this quick little link for the different things you can make. So we're going to click on create blank. So this is going to be our t-shirt palette that we can use. They have under design, you can type in if there's some specific thing you're going to design for, like a theme, like if you're doing a party type of family reunion t-shirts, you can just type in something here. And then they have options. This is some recently used ones that I've used. And then they have just different results of different ones you can choose from. Let's just type in, let's just type in Christmas and see what comes up for t-shirts. So different Christmas things come up for t-shirts. Or if you wanted to type in the beach, different beach themes would pop up for a t-shirt. This little thing right here where it has the little crown, this is for pro accounts. So this has to be paid for. This one right here with no little crown is free. You don't have to pay for this. So there are options and choices with a free account. So it's just up to you if you think you would benefit from paying for an account or doing the free account. I do this because I use it a lot to make videos. So let's move on and try to make this t-shirt that I'm going to make. Okay, so we have our blank canvas, and I'm going to open up a text box, and they have drop downs. You can choose the font, the size, different colors. There's effects if you want to animate something, but that wouldn't be for t-shirt. Effects would be though. So let's go into this right here. I'm going to try to find one that I've used before. Let's see if I can remember the name. This is it right here. So, pretty nice. So I like that. So this is going to be my text box. Let's type in just the first word of what's going to be part of this, because I want to put this kind of over a banner. But let me show you what you can do with this. You can choose different colors, like a pink, and then you can choose effects. So none, shadows, lip, there's different things. I tend to like just the big, lines. There's different effects you can use. You can choose if you want it curved, if you want it straight. So let's start with this. I also want to do like a banner. So you would go, this is text. We would go under elements, and I'm going to let's type in double banner. Sorry. Double banner. Because I kind of want to, there's this and that is the name of what my stores are called. But I want it to be like this and that, like with the banner. So something like this would probably work. Let's see if we can change it to, you can't see when it's white. Let's see. So there's a banner. And then I'm just going to put some of the text just like this. I believe I can make this a little bit bigger though. And you can just move it around. These lines are showing you where the center of it is. But with the t-shirt, I might put it a little higher. But let's start with that. So we're going to go back to text. And do that. And go back to the text. It's going to have your recently used here also. So let's go under to the colors. I think this is the color I did. Effects. I believe that's what I did. I don't remember. There you go. Kind of curve this and kind of get it to fit in the banner so that it's straight. You can use this little thing right here to move. So, pretty easy. Get my ampersand sign, change it to this. And I could make this different if I want. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. But let's go for this. Let's see how this looks. All right, so I'm trying to decide if I want to turn the ribbon a little bit on the shirt so it's not straight. I think I do, which means I have to kind of turn the text also, which is not that hard to do. I use this for the ampersand. So let's see. I want to also have some kind of like a graphic, like maybe like somebody's shopping. So you go to elements and I'm just going to type in, like woman shopping. See what comes up. So all these are coming up. I think I like this little one right here, silhouette, because I can change the colors on this. So that's kind of cute. So we're going to just kind of put this and turn it a little bit. Kind of like right there. Maybe a little bit bigger. And you can move things, you know, behind or in front of. But I kind of want it off to the side right there. And I have to decide, you know, what color I want it also. So you can click on here and go to the colors. And you can just pick the color that you want it to be. I can go with the pink also. Different color pink, a little darker. Purple. But I'm going to go back to this pink color. This, I'm trying to see if I can, let's see. No, that doesn't work. I was going to see if I could put like a darker border on this, but let me see if I can change. I'm not that happy with the color of this. So let's see. I'm not sure what I want though. I think it's going to go on a black shirt. So let's play around. That's kind of neat. I don't have really, I mean, I kind of do, but as far as like branding colors. So that's kind of cute. So you can just play around with the colors and see what you like. Right up here kind of remembers the colors that you've been messing around with. So this will have like a memory here of what you've used. So I think that's fine. So yeah, that'll work. And then you can add just any little thing under here if you want to. You can add like the name of something else. Like I said, the possibilities are endless with what you can do. You can do family reunion shirts. You can do, I mean, anything you want to do. Statement shirts. Sky's the limit. It's just up to your imagination what you want to do. So I think I might move this up a little bit, but let's see how. All right, another neat little tool here is you can flip things. Like if I want to flip her the other way, click on it, go up here to flip. If I want her to face that way, I can turn her that way. But I think I want her to go that way. But you can flip things right here, which is kind of cool. So we like that. Let's see. All right, let's just add one more, I don't know, little thing. Maybe some more text. Not sure what I want to add here. I guess I can leave it like this, but you can add whatever you want to. You can add, more photos. I could add some more, shopping bags. But like I said, I want to keep this simple. It's going to be on a shirt. I'm going to wear this during, like I said, live Poshmark shows or just out and about for advertising. I think this looks really cute and goes along with the brand of just shopping and thrifting and that kind of theme. So I'll just wear this, during, like I said, during a live show, live Poshmark. Poshmark does live shows now. So it's kind of cool. You can just sell live, but I wanted to have a shirt to wear as I was, selling the stuff online. So this will work. So it's pretty easy. Like I said, just do whatever you want as far as your imagination. There's all sorts of text you can use. Like I said, this is, the Pro, which you have to pay for. But there's plenty on here that you don't have to pay for. So I think it's annually or monthly. All you have to do is just go to your account and it will show you if you want to, pay for it or not. Anyhow, so this is just an easy way to make a t-shirt. Quick and sweet. I'm going to put this on a black shirt. So let's go to that area where you actually can order your shirt. Okay, so you've made your shirt. Now what do? You can download a PDF or you can just have Canva print it. But this share area right here is where you go if you want to download it to your computer. And you can do that anyhow to safeguard it. But you would do the download right here. And then this gives you your choices. Transparent background. So you go to this little drop down and you're going to go to PDF print if you're going to do it on your own. This is printing quality. So this is what I recommend if you're going to print it on your own shirt onto a printing transferable iron-on type thing. Or you can print with Canva. They have great prices. It's only $20 to do a shirt and it's free shipping. So you would just click here and you even get to see what it looks like on a shirt. So, okay, it's finished a shirt. This shows me where it's going to sit on the shirt. I'm only going to do it on the front. I want a woman's shirt. So a women's fitted shirt. Black shirt, but here's where you can pick a different color shirt. Gray. That's what it looks like on a gray shirt. Or you can go to navy. So it gives you the different colors to look at to see what it will look like on your shirt, which is a great thing to have. Charcoal, which isn't bad. I'm going to go for and see what the black looks like because I think it will pop more with the black. So once you choose your color, choose your size. Has up to XXL. I usually get a shirt bigger because I like them loose. How many t-shirts you want made? $20, free shipping. 100% cotton, which is nice. And then here's the total right here. Free delivery. You can see that. And then you just hit continue and that is where you go to buy it. I'm not going to do this because I've already printed this shirt. And I'm going to show you a few photos right now with me wearing the shirt and show you what it looks like. But this is so easy to do. Very easy to do. Just limit it to your imagination. Make yourself a shirt and just be creative as you want to be. There's plenty to do with the free options, or you can upgrade to the Pro, which gives you everything that they have to offer. And it's just up to you how you want to do it. I'll link it below to Canva in case you want to do. If you don't have a Canva account, you can just click on it and go to the free version if you want to, or paid, it doesn't matter. And just check it out. Have fun with it. There's a lot of things you can make on Canva. You can do videos. You can do cards. You can do... they have so many things you can do. It's amazing. Presentations. This is where I create all the videos that you see on most of them on my YouTube channel. I make here in Canva. It's very easy. And they have all of this to help you make videos also. The audio, just everything. It's very easy. So once you... one thing is, if you're making a video, limit your clips to no more than like 3 minutes at a time because Canva is not great about loading huge files. So I usually, when you watch my videos, they're usually 3-minute clips at a time, and then it transitions to the next clip. So anyhow, hope you enjoyed this. Let me show you what it looks like, and please like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.